Happy frogs. Well, everything's very green. We got so much rain last night that it flooded past the fence. So I need to go out and put more mosquito dunks out here. Which means I gotta walk through the water. So pray there's not a lot of mosquitoes out right now. What do you think, Belle? Huh? You gonna go with me? We're supposed to get more rain. Haven't seen it like this since 2015. So, I'm out in the water. Oh, I hope I don't hit a deep spot taller than my boots. Oh, wait a minute. That's too deep. I need to go the other way. I was about to sink above my boot tops. Oh, what a miserable place. I'm so thankful for the rain. We needed it so bad, but this is going to take a lot of warmth to dry up. So I'm putting this in four-wheel drive. Maybe. Oops. I thought I'd share with you what's going on up here. It's not too slick, but I didn't put it in four-wheel drive. I don't know how much water is going to be coming down the Steeplechase. I got part of the roads that are kind of washing out. I just hope we don't have flooding in our garage.
Today, the company unveils AI Cloud, customer relationship management software that uses AI software with data to generate personalized content. And Grubhub is laying off around 16% of its workforce, which amounts to around 400 positions, according to the Wall Street Journal. The food delivery company is looking to reduce costs to stay competitive. Mr. Bob reports
Water coming down the hill. Not too bad. There's my neighbor's place, Becky's, and that wasn't in water this morning, and now it's hailing, and I think we're getting flooding. There's my neighbor's place, Becky's, and that wasn't in water this morning. Road's washing out. Look at that. Oh boy. That's like a 5-foot diameter culvert that goes underneath that road. And that's a lot of water to give you perspective. That's crazy.
Miss
No, you're fine. It's right up here, honey. Right here. Snow on the peak. That's pretty. Yeah, my friend in